Hello and welcome to Winno-Teach headquarters. I'm Chidebere Wisdom and I'm going to be your tutor for today. I want to teach you guys how to do a realistic logo mock-up for a reception office, something that looks like this. So as long as you have your logo saved in your system, you can be able to do something like this. And if you have Photoshop, any version of Photoshop, you can be able to do something like this. And the first thing we have to do is to download the mock-up file. I already have mine in my system and I'm going to put it down the description. So if you want to have this file downloaded, just click on the link I provided in the description and download it. And the second thing you have to note is that you must have you for you to get something realistic like this, you have to save your logo as a PNG file so that it can perfectly fit just like this. If you have it as a JPEG, it's not going to fit this way. So you have to save your logo as a PNG file. Now let's go ahead and start the tutorial. First thing is you open your Photoshop, and once you've opened your Photoshop, you have to import the file you just downloaded into Photoshop before you can be able to work with it. And for you to import the mockup file you just downloaded, click on File and click on Open, and it takes you to your document. You can just search around your system for where it was downloaded to. And I have mine in my document here, so I'll simply click on it and click open. And then I would wait. This process is going to take some seconds or even more, depending on the strength of your CPU. Okay, so here we have the file already opened in the Photoshop, and you can see the layers, all the layers in the file. You can see your extrusion copy, you can see your shadows and the main extrusion, everything. And this, the first layer says your logo here. So that is where you are going to put your own logo. And these icons here makes you able to deactivate any feature you don't want to see. By clicking on them, it removes what you don't want to see. So you can just decide what you want to see and what you don't want to see. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be working with every picture. So if you have imported your file into Photoshop, I want you to double click on the first layer which says your logo here. So it's going to give you a prompt and tell you what to do. So this is just after editing the content, choose file and then save to commit the changes. Click OK. And then you have to choose flatten so that you can be able to maintain all the pictures. So I would choose flatten. Now it has taken me to this place. This is where I'm going to place my logo and then save. So for me to place my logo here, I would click File and then Place. So it takes me back to my document, and then I will search for my logo. I have my logo saved in the desktop. So I'll choose it and click Place. Now, once you have imported your logo here, the next thing you have to do is to resize it the way you want. And for you to perfectly resize it, you have to hold Shift and Alt and then drag it until it is the size you want it to be. Make sure you don't leave Shift and Alt before releasing your mouse. So you have to release your mouse first. You understand? So this is how I want my own logo to be. And then I would click the check mark up here to commit the transform. Now this is it. And you can notice that the other logo is still showing and it's going to interfere with my own logo. So we have to deactivate the first logo, which is in layer 0. Just click on the eye icon to deactivate it. Once you have deactivated it, the next thing you have to do is to click on file and choose save for you to commit the changes, or you simply click Ctrl S. Now, this updating smart object is going to take a few seconds or even more depending on the strength of your CPU. So you just have to wait for it to complete. Don't cancel. Okay, now that it is done, you can simply go back to the reception for the file we started with. So this is it. You can now see that my logo is what is showing here, no longer the first logo we downloaded. So this is how you can do a logo mockup, a realistic 3D logo mockup for a reception office. Now, for you to save this as a photo, as an image, you have to choose file and click on save as. So you choose the name you want to use and save it. Let's say I want to save it with Winno-Teach headquarters reception office. And then on the format, click on the format and choose JPEG. So, and then once you've done that, click on save. Now it's going to bring you JPEG option. Make sure the quality is 12, that is maximum. And if the quality is maximum, then click OK. You can go to your the document where you saved it to confirm if it's saved rightly. So I'll just go there and then check. I have it here, it's saved. So this is it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button. I'm going to teach you guys how to do the same thing we just did now, but on a different software. The software is going to be Photopea. Photopea is an online software that enables you to do some of the things you can do with Photoshop. So I'm going to teach you how to do a realistic logo mock-up with Photopea online. And if you are not subscribed to my channel or you didn't turn on the notification button, you may miss the video. So you have to do the both now so that you can be able to be notified whenever I upload this video. Thank you very much for watching.